In today's video, we're going to talk about air diffusers and why you need one in your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. What is an air diffuser? Well, specifically, we're going to talk about ultrasonic diffusers. Basically, they separate essential oil into tiny particles and thrust a fine vapor into the surrounding air. You only need 3 to 10 drops, and no heat is used to create the microfine mist it produces. Ultrasonic diffusers also generate little noise and energy. Why use an air diffuser? Diffusers are very beneficial when supporting calm and relaxation, mental stimulation, freshening the air, sleeping, and well, just to give your space a lovely scent. We live in a world riddled with positive ions. Positive ions take the form of many pollutants, chemicals, mold, pollen, pet dander, and various electronical devices. However, ultrasonic diffusers produce negative ions, counteracting these positive ions. The negative ions produced by an air diffuser also bind to dust particles, making them heavier and dropping them to the ground, leaving your air feeling refreshed. Not to mention, it also functions as a humidifier, putting moisture back into the environment. No filters are needed and cleaning is easy. Many have timers and automatically shut off when the water has evaporated. Depending on the model, you can set the length of time or choose various time cycles you want to diffuse for. Also, be aware that different diffusers have different capacities for covering square footage. Air diffusers are also safer than common candles. Unless you're buying 100% pure beeswax, coconut, hemp, or soy, they're probably toxic. Many candles, both scented and unscented, are often made with paraffin wax, which can emit toxic vapors like benzene and toluene. Many candle wicks contain heavy metals when burned, which is then inhaled. These candles also possess dyes and artificial scents that release dangerous chemicals into the environment, potentially causing various behavioral, hormonal, and general health issues. Where to use an air diffuser? Place the diffuser in an open area, a room or office, with a solid surface or tabletop and near an outlet. If placing the diffuser on a wood surface, put a towel underneath it. Also, avoid positioning the diffuser near a fan or direct sunlight. How to use an air diffuser? Take the lid off and fill the diffuser with water, then add 3 to 10 drops of essential oils. Replace the lid and turn on. It is recommended to use small dosages throughout the day. How to maintain your air diffuser. Unplug the diffuser and remove any water that may be left over. Clean inside with a small brush and warm water. Rinse out using rubbing alcohol. Use a cotton ball to clean the ultrasonic chip and let air dry. Safety tips. Warm oils can cause a hot or warming sensation when applied to the skin. Keep in mind that warm oils like cassia, eucalyptus, ginger, lemongrass, peppermint, thyme, wintergreen, cinnamon, nutmeg, black pepper, oregano, clove, and others should only be used in 1 to 2 drop amounts, as too much can irritate the mucous membranes. Don't leave pets in a closed room with these oils, and be aware what oils your pet likes and doesn't like. However, use best judgment when using cassia, cinnamon, citrus, clove, eucalyptus, lemon, lavender, peppermint, spruce, tea tree, and thyme around cats, and clove, garlic, juniper, rosemary, tea tree, thyme, wintergreen, and peppermint around dogs. Air diffuser recipes. Energy and focus. 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 3 drops of wild orange essential oil, 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. Calm and relaxation. 2 drops of frankincense essential oil, 2 drops of ylang ylang essential oil, 2 drops of marjoram essential oil. Delicious scent. 2 drops of geranium essential oil, 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 2 drops of wild orange essential oil. Beauty sleep. 3 drops of vetiver essential oil, 3 drops of marjoram essential oil, 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Thanks for watching. And remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.